Hey friends! Today we are looking at the ultimate car security monitors designed to keep your vehicle safe and protected. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car security monitors in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Rideshare dash camera for cars. This dual dash system provides truly exceptional front and rear coverage, featuring genuine 4K resolution up front alongside crisp 1080p rear recording. Utilizing expansive 170-degree and 150-degree wide-angle lenses, it effortlessly captures license plates, street signs, and crucial road details, significantly minimizing blind spots to provide foolproof evidence during collisions. Perfect for rideshare drivers and daily commuters alike, it guarantees comprehensive environmental monitoring. It boasts dual-band 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi integration with the Rideshare app, allowing you to instantly preview, download, and share clips straight to your smartphone. The compact 2.0-inch IPS screen ensures intuitive menu navigation, while loop recording and a highly sensitive G-sensor securely lock crash footage. Ready to go immediately with an included 64 GB memory card, it also utilizes advanced WDR technology and a 6-layer f1.8 aperture lens to guarantee bright, detailed night vision. Furthermore, it supports reliable 24/7 parking monitoring via collision detection when hardwired. Next up, our second product, the Rideshare dash camera for cars. This incredible 4-channel system delivers unparalleled comprehensive coverage for your vehicle, utilizing front, rear, and dual cabin-facing lenses to record every conceivable angle in crisp 1080p detail. Designed perfectly for family road trips, daily commuting, and professional ride-sharing, it virtually eliminates blind spots to capture every key moment securely. Boasting a true 360-degree viewing radius, it integrates advanced infrared night vision alongside 8 dedicated IR lights on the cabin lenses, ensuring exceptionally clear footage even in pitch-black environments. To keep your vehicle fully protected around the clock, it features 24-hour parking monitoring when utilizing the included hardware kit, which intelligently incorporates low-voltage protection to prevent dead car batteries. Standard features like seamless loop recording and an automatic G-sensor guarantee your most vital collision clips are permanently saved. Although this specific configuration forgoes Wi-Fi app control, its simple plug-and-play setup, lifetime warranty, and unwavering reliability provide absolute peace of mind. Coming in at number 3, the Pelsee dual dash camera for cars. This highly advanced system delivers stellar front and rear coverage, masterfully pairing a 4K HDR front lens with a 1080p WDR rear lens to maintain astonishing clarity across completely unpredictable lighting conditions. The dynamic front HDR actively prevents overexposure in glaring sunlight, while the rear WDR expertly cuts through heavy fog and dark tunnels, both recording at a fluid 25 frames per second. Powered by the premium Sony STARVIS 2 sensor alongside AI-enhanced night vision, it produces vibrant, full-color recordings even on unlit rural highways. Driving safety is dramatically elevated through an integrated advanced driver assistance system, ADAS, which pushes proactive alerts for lane departures and potential collisions. You also get hands-free control via 8 convenient voice commands. Fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi syncs effortlessly with its dedicated app, while the built-in GPS embeds crucial speed and location data right into the footage. With a massive 512 GB storage capacity, time-lapse parking modes, and tool-free setup, it is a powerhouse monitor. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Lectrus Wi-Fi Night Vision Dash Camera for cars. This sophisticated 3-channel system offers a fantastic blend of high-resolution video, expansive cabin coverage, and robust safety tech. Its primary front lens captures brilliant 4K footage, while the supplementary triple-lens architecture actively monitors the front, rear, and interior of the car to practically eliminate blind spots. Night Vision, powered by high-sensitivity sensors, guarantees highly reliable recordings in extremely low-light conditions by automatically shifting to a crisp black-and-white mode when ambient light drops. Vehicle safety is continuously maintained through automated collision detection and a dedicated parking mode. While the internal 300 mAh battery can manage brief 15-minute emergency recordings, continuous park surveillance is easily achieved with an optional hardware kit. Loop recording is seamless, effortlessly managing files on cards up to 256 GB, though a generous 64GB card is conveniently pre-installed. Featuring lightning-fast 5G Wi-Fi, seamless app control, and a durable climate-resistant capacitor, it delivers truly comprehensive security for any daily driver. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Terunsoui Wi-Fi dash camera for cars. This premium dual-lens setup is an absolute marvel, engineered to simultaneously record both the front and rear in breathtaking true 3840x2160p 4K resolution. The massive 170-degree ultra-wide front lens easily spans across 6-lane highways, guaranteeing that no critical detail ever slips by unnoticed. Whether you are a dedicated rideshare professional or a daily commuter, it provides impeccably clear, professional-grade footage. Leveraging intelligent loop recording and an advanced G-sensor, it automatically secures collision clips to prevent accidental overwriting, while the impressive 128GB pre-installed memory card lets you hit the road instantly. It shines particularly bright at night, utilizing super starlight tech, robust WDR, and massive apertures, f1.5 front and f1.8 rear, to produce exceptionally illuminated low-light videos. Operating on blazing fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, it perfectly syncs with its companion app for rapid remote file transfers. Complete with an integrated GPS to log precise coordinates and speed, plus hardware-ready 24-hour parking modes, it is the ultimate guardian for your vehicle. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.